Good evening, everybody. Today, 13th of June, and we all know what happened last year. After getting the news on 14th, we were shocked, yes. And I was more shocked to see the activities of the police, and I said before also, like it became fish market, like everybody is going and going inside and somebody is coming outside. There are many people. It should not be. And after 3-4 days, I asked my son why the media is silent, because Sushant was a celebrity, why everything is closed. And then Republic raised the voice. And we SSRians are very thankful to Arnab Goswami. And इसके लिए अर्नब को बहुत कुछ झेलना पड़ा, we know that. Because public is not blind. So ये आप लोगों को सोचना चाहिए. हम लोग देख सकते हैं, हम लोग समझ सकते हैं, हम लोग आप लोगों को सर पे चढ़ा सकते हैं, हम लोग नीचे फेंक भी सकते हैं. So please, आज हम लोग 1 साल से, मेरा यूट्यूब है, हम आ सकते थे, हम बोल भी सकते हैं, बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स आ गए इधर उधर से. तो आई डोंट वांट टू फोकस ऑन देम because my mission is not that. My mission is to get justice for a pure soul, for a legend, and for a rare talent. And what to say about SSR? Every day I see, last 1 year. And my son, whenever I saw any video or his smile, innocent smile, I started crying. And my son come to me and say, don't cry, mom. So I don't know, सब लोग, very few people touched your heart. SSR is one of them. We are united for him. Why? Everybody is asking, my relatives are asking that why are you doing this thing? I don't know why I am doing this thing, because Dibya Bharati has gone, Jia Khan. But Disha Salian, when Disha Salian's death news came out, that time Sushant's ex-manager, why didn't write that Aishwarya Rai's ex-manager? Why Sushant's name was mentioned? We Sarians are still surprised, and we know everything. Every day at night, 5-6 hours YouTube channel I follow. Not those I follow who are here to earn money. After 5-6 months they came to earn money. So please SSR को वैसे के लिए आप लोग यूज़ मत करो, प्लीज़ प्लीज़. आप लोगों को कर्मा इज़ ऑन वे. क्या मैं बोल रही हूँ, मेरा यूट्यूब है सिंगिंग के लिए, बट मैंने कभी यूज़ नहीं किया इसके लिए जो टू अर्न मनी और समथिंग. बिकॉज वी आर ट्रू SSRians, वी वांट जस्टिस फॉर अ प्योर सोल who was about to meet the press and who was, everything is out. Again and again I am asking, where are the keys? 4 and 5 lakhs rent. SSR used to pay for his flat. Where are the 4 sets of keys? We have 3 sets of keys. A small flat we have, 1300 square feet. So where are the keys? Can you tell us, or can you tell NCB, Mr. Pithani? Please. And when every details we know, because we follow. We don't gossip in our channel and come and to earn money. Don't do that. You are sitting outside India and you are creating sensational videos, sensational things. No. Yes, I followed Arnab. I'm a fan of Arnab Goswami, and I'm very much worried. Where is Arnab right now? Please, please, Arnab, stay healthy. Because we are your voice. We are SSR's voice. We are voice of the truth. And we know truth triumphs. So please, and Sameer Wankhede sir, thanks a lot sir, what you have done. NCB and Sameer Wankhede said, hats off to you. But my question to CBI, as a citizen in democratic country, Why CBI is silent? Please update, because we SSRians are waiting. Each life is precious and nobody has the power to kill anybody. We know SSR is superior to many, to all of them. That doesn't mean that you have to kill him. By killing him too, you are exposed today. Yes, everything is out and it's openly humiliated by our very stars. Our stars openly humiliated. Everybody signed, but when it comes to SSR, it's just snatched away from him. He was ready. He was so innocent. He was so pure soul. And Taichi, বাঙালি বলে অনেকে বলে বাঙালি বাঙালি, বাট তোমাকে যদি বাঙালি বলা হয় তাইজি, ইউ আর শেম অন বেঙ্গলিজ। ঠিক है? তো Taiji will understand what I'm saying. I'm from Kolkata, and one thing I would like to say that we want justice. Our mission, and हम लोग लड़ते रहेंगे justice के लिए. Yes, we'll fight. We'll fight till the justice done. इससे सर बहुत torture, क्योंकि he was silent, but now we are his voice. Can you imagine? One pure soul has united us. You tortured him, he was silent. You threatened him, he was silent. And everything is so much suspicious. When Bihar police came, 3 police came, no quarantine. When IPS officer landed in the airport, stamp was given on his hand. It's so much insult. He was called Dabang officer. He was not allowed to investigate the case. Why? Everything is exposed. I would like to request, and we would like to appeal, we SSRians, true SSRians, to Modi sir, to the Supreme Court. Sir, please, our 74-year-old father is waiting for the justice. Please give him justice. We are waiting for the justice. He is pure soul. And one more thing, as a SSRian, I am a warning. Never dare to defame SSR and his family. Okay, never, nobody. We don't believe you. We have brain, okay? We trusted you. You have done many wrong things, but we were silent. Okay, चलो छोड़ दो, जाने दिया. बॉलीवुड में बहुत कुछ ये आज हमारी दिब्बा भारती. Then I cried also when Dibba Bharati died. One emerging actress, and she was so beautiful. I remember that day, that I cried that day, 1993. Sridevi ji. So again I am saying that truth triumphs over evil. Okay, remember those torturers, those murderers. Suicide. He was 6 feet tall, 6 feet, he might be 6 feet 10 inches. Why in Wikipedia it's written cause of death, suicide by hanging? It's still under CBI. Can you explain to us? And owner of the Wikipedia, or I don't know, yes, owner might be G. Wells, it's explaining that from the reliable sources. So we want to know who are the reliable sources. Mr. Sudhir Gupta leaked in one channel. He didn't come openly. So everything is so much suspicious, and CBI is silent. Why? CBI, I would like to request you, please. कुछ जमीर होगा, कुछ कंसियंस है तो आप जस्टिस दे दो. नहीं तो जो तबाही मच जाएगी ये हमें भी पता नहीं, क्योंकि SSR, I feel SSR is God's child. Yes, I feel that. I can make my YouTube, I can anything, but I'm attached to Republic channel, I'm attached to SSR's justice till 14th of June. Yes, I cried many times. You can see my video, I can try. And now I am suffering. I had corona, and just now I am recovering. I have chronic laryngitis too. So I can't sing the full song, but I sang after SSR's death. That I'll share today. And I made Ganesh Bhai. Ganesh Bhai might be remembering me. Ganesh Bhai, hello. गणेश भाई हम किसी के साथ नहीं, आपके साथ हैं. एंड आई लव बॉबी उपल जी, जो ड्रामा नहीं करते, जो फैक्ट दिखाते हैं. बहुत कम लोग हैं जो बाहर बैठ के जो कर रहे हो आप लोग एनालाइज कर रहे हो. आप लोग कितना जानते हो, हम डेली 7-8 घंटा सिंस 14 जून ईच डिटेल्स वी नो. अभी दीप्ति जी बाहर आए हैं, दीप्ति जी हार्ड डिस्क के बारे में बोल रहे हैं. जस्टिस चाहिए हमें, जस्टिस चाहिए हमें, बस जस्टिस और कुछ नहीं. हम लड़ते रहेंगे, यस हम लड़ेंगे. एसएसआरियंस बी यूनाइटेड, बी यूनाइटेड. दिखा दो पब्लिक क्या कर सकती है. हमने इसको सर पे बिठाया था ना, हम जाते थे ना मल्टीप्लेक्स में, कोई पीवीआर में फिल्म देखने, पॉपकॉर्न खरीदते थे. ऑलमोस्ट 2 पीपल जाते थे तो 2300. So we used to pay, but now those days are gone. किस लिए मारा? अरे अब लोग तो एक्सपोज हो ही गए. वो तो अपने बॉलीवुड से बैन भी कर दिया, वो तो चले गए बेचारा. वो तो टॉर्चर सहते रहे. कितना टॉर्चर करोगे? गर्लफ्रेंड, ओ माय गॉड, किसी को ऐसा गर्लफ्रेंड ना दे जिंदगी भर. और सारे लोग जो थे वो लोग मतलब कंफर्ट लाइफ जी रहे थे एसएसआर के पैसे से. अरे ये लोग कंस्पायर एक भी अच्छे बंदे नहीं थे क्या? ये पिठानी, ये दीपेश, केशव, नीरज, यू नो एवरीथिंग. तो ये जो ड्रामा चल रहा है ना, सुबह उठ के जूस पिया, ये वो, ये बंद करो. एंड वाई अगेन आई एम सेइंग, वाई PM at night, postmortem at night? Why were the doctors and all others, Mumbai police, why were they in so hurry? In Disha's case, reverse happened. Yes, 7th or 8th June, she was murdered. Yes, and then what happened? I think 11th or 11th June. Postmortem done. Why? The same case, almost the same time, but we are following the 2 rules. Why this happened? Can you answer it? And we would like to ask SSRians to the Cooper doctors, why no expert forensic doctor in your team? What has been out? And why no death time in postmortem report? Very suspicious, very suspicious. Sorry. We can't accept many things. Why Pithani was staying there? Why the crime place was not sealed? Again and again I am saying, because these are very vital things. Why crime place was not sealed? Why Pithani was staying there? Why CCTV was not working there? It's 4.5 lakhs का रेंट था उस फ्लैट का. डोंट फॉरगेट एसएसआरियंस. आवाज़ उठाओ, आवाज़ बुलंद करो. ठीक है, दिखा दो ये हमारे आवाज़ का कितना दम है. एसएसआर 4 साल से वो लोग ओपनली उसको इंसल्ट किया. कितने सारे लोग. स्टार्स एस कैप्स लॉक में एक बार बताया था ना सुशांत, आई थिंक IFA अवार्ड्स में. हम तो उसका वीडियो देखने से भी रोते हैं. इतना इंटेलिजेंट बंदा, क्या बातें करते हैं. यू कैन कंपेयर, नेवर. और मार के तुमने ऐसे ही तो सुशांत लेजेंड है, उसको बना दिया. SSR is immortal and we are taking oath till the justice will fight. Yes, we are true SSRians. हम लोग अर्न करने के लिए इधर नहीं है. We can, but no. We are attached to SSR with emotions. जय हिंद. प्लीज़ सब लोग यूनाइटेड हो जाइए. एंड ये फिर जोर शोर से शुरू करना है. एंड वी वांट इंटरनेशनल एजेंसी टू इंटरवीन इन SSR केस, क्योंकि बहुत सारा इंसिडेंट लैप्सेस आर देयर. ठीक है, तो और आप लोग जो, और एक बात, SSR के ऊपर जो फिल्म बन रहा है, बॉलीवुड नेवर एक्नॉलेज्ड हिज टैलेंट. always humiliated. He was silent. But now, why are they running after him to earn money? Can you tell me? Why no justice to SSR's father? Why no justice to SSR sisters? Why no justice to SSRians? And please, Arnab, आप सेफ रहो, and जहाँ भी रहो आप सेफ रहो. Justice for Sushant. এটা এখানে ধর এটাকে. রাহেল